Alright, let me show you a simple way to evenly space object in Tinkercad. Unfortunately, the Tinkercad doesn't have one magic button for equal spacing, but this workaround works really well. First, place all of your object onto the workspace. So I will place 4 of them like so. Now go right here in the top up right corner and click the cube to switch to top view. So you can do that and it turns like that. After that, turn that perspective off. So like that. This makes everything much easier to line up. So perspective is right here on the right side, the last circle. Now select all of your objects. So now you can click the align tool at the top. So this one is right over here, align, or you can press L on your keyboard. Just to keep things clean and straight, choose the alignment point you want and confirm it. So you can align it to upper, bottom, or to the middle. So I will put into the middle. That's good starting point. Now let's deal with equal spacing. For this part, we will use helper object. So drag one cube more. So I will drag this one box with a different color like that. For example, I will go with 25 millimeters. So like something like that. So place this box next to the object. So I will move that one and place it like that. And then another one next to it like that. And after when that it's complete, I will move it like so. Place another one here, and now I will do the last one. After that, you can delete this box. Now I have repeated, so now it's the same length in between all of them. After that, we can align them again. So select all, then you can press L button and we will align them again. And now they are aligned. What we can do now, so right click on your mouse that you drop to the front top view. After that, you can change the perspective also. And now you see that all of the boxes are aligned and equal spacing between them. So there's no built-in spacing tool in Tinkercad, but using an extra object as a distance guide plus the top view is really effective solution. You can also help yourself with this work plane right here with these cubes, cube paper, so you can also align them as well like this. I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.